as a secret note, only raises the same question: why did he change his mind between 2001 and 2007? With all these questions remaining unanswered, we have made it more than obvious several times that it is high time the Prime Minister removed Mr. Chidambaram from the cabinet. No questioning by CBI or anybody else can happen in a free and fair manner if he continues to be in the ministry. Earlier it was a corruption of alliance partners. Now it is the Congress itself which has to answer, and that answer has to be done through proper investigation, through proper questioning, and in a free and fair manner. So the Prime Minister should actually sack Mr. Chidambaram with no further delay. The second issue is a very serious matter relating to illegal mining. Goa in the last 12 years has had the Chief Minister holding the mining portfolio. Shri Digambar Kamath is the Chief Minister now. It is estimated that about 10,000 crores is the loss which will be the result of this illegal mining which is going on in Goa. More than 90 licenses have been issued, and apparently you can classify them, the illegal mining licensees, into two groups. One which has not obtained due clearances from forest or environment departments, and the others who have been extracting the minerals much more than the license permitting amount or the quantum. They've crossed the ceiling, extracted illegally, kept huge dumps for which they are not paying any royalty, and this has been now voiced by so many people. The PAC, the Public Accounts Committee in Goa, has been raising this. The former Chief Minister, BJP former Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar has been talking about it. The PAC in Goa has raised very many severe questions for which we are not obtaining answers. The Indian Bureau of Mines, which is a Government of India funded body, has also been sending a lot of teams to various states, and they have also come up with this illegal mining problem in Goa, which has completely ripped the state, and it is a natural disaster of a very big order for a small state like Goa. And if these companies have either been illegally extracting tons and tons of iron ore, not paying royalties, or having extracted the mineral without the due clearances, these are very serious allegations. And has made Goa an ugly tourist destination because of the unbridled illegal. So in the interest, there should be an immediate
बीजेपी की प्रवक्ता निर्मला सीतारमण इस समय प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रही हैं और वो पूरा अपना ध्यान इस तरफ लगा रही है, गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत पर आरोप लगा रही है बीजेपी, और कहना यह है बीजेपी का कि गैर कानूनी खदान वहां पर जारी है। फिलहाल बुलेटिन में इतना ही, लेकिन देश दुनिया की ताजा तरीन खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए A to Z न्यूज।
में आंसू माँ? बस बेटा, वो बीता वक्त सोचते सोचते आंख भर आई जब तेरे पापा के पास काम नहीं था और तू एक गंभीर बीमारी से लड़ रही थी। रिश्तेदार तो क्या, अपने साई ने भी साथ छोड़ दिया था। तब तेरी नानी मेरे लिए ये लाल किताब अमृत लेकर आई और इसमें लिखे उपाय करने से हम आज एक खुशहाल जीवन जी रहे हैं।
मम्मा, लाल किताब अमृत ये बता सकती है कि शादी के बाद मेरी जिंदगी कैसी होगी?
हाँ बेटा, इसीलिए तेरी भी लाल किताब अमृत मैं अपने साथ लेकर आई। एक बार तो मैं देर कर चुकी, लेकिन इस बार नहीं।
नानी,
बस अब दुख और नहीं।
सुरक्षा का सवाल हो या अत्याचार, भ्रष्टाचार की आग हो या महंगाई की मार, उलझती है जनता हर बार। सियासत के लिए खुलती इनकी जुबान, फिर भी क्यों चुप हैं आप? रहिए ना खामोश, बोलिए बिंदास।
कैसे होगी दूसरी हरित क्रांति? कब सुधरेगी खेतों की तस्वीर? कैसे बनेगी किसानों की बात? नई तकनीक और नए इरादों के साथ।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं पूजा सिंह और स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के स्पेशल प्रोग्राम में। जी हां, नवरात्रों को साल का सबसे पवित्र समय माना जाता है और ऐसे में सभी अपने अपने तरीके से पूजा और अर्चना करते हैं, व्रत रखते हैं। नवरात्रों में व्रत की महत्ता और परंपरा